Alright, so today I got this package. I just got this in the mail. I already opened it up, but I wanted to show you guys this box because I couldn't wait to take this upstairs, and actually the kid's sleeping downstairs right now. And I really wanted to get this video out today to show you guys the creation, but this is the Nike by You box, as you can see here, and my creation is inside. And if you hear a bunch of pugs and stuff snorting in the background, just show you guys what's going on real quick. This is what we got. We got Chloe and Lola, the old ladies over here. But anyway, I wanted to get this video down, and my camera's over here, my other camera, so I'm using my my secondary camera here. This is crazy though. I really love the way these came out. And here is the box, as you can see. Open it up, and we have Air Max 90s here. So now that I've shown you guys the shoes, it does say Nike by James, which is my first name. If you didn't know that, leave a like on the video. My name is James. Hes is my my DJ name, or used to be, but anyway, that's why it's Heskicks. But 9.5, that is my shoe box right there, and these things are ridiculous. I'm so stoked with how these came out. When these dropped on like the Nike by You side, it used to be Nike ID, now they changed direction obviously, but they dropped and then they sold out super fast, and I didn't expect that. In fact, I don't think anybody was expecting it, so it's kind of like a new wave of selling out Nike IDs, which is a smart thing to do in my opinion for what they're doing. The Air Force Ones sold out first and these sold out last, but honestly this is the only one I was interested in doing. Because of all the different panels of the Air Max 90, it just made the perfect silhouette to be able to combine all of these different elements to the shoe, and I loved the options. As you can see, this one was a distressed pair, so that you had distressed or non-distressed. I actually want to leave it to you guys in the comment section, and by if you guys like the video or not. But if you guys want to see me do a video of me distressing these even more, because these are kind of like, it's a little bit distressed, but I could really make it more so, not like super crazy, but I can make it look a lot more worn. If you guys want to see that video, leave a comment, leave a like on the video, and let me know, and I'll do that in the future. But I love the material choices on this. It's not just denim, like it's a denim pack, it's a Levi's shoe, but there's also like the corduroy elements too. So the Nike swoosh here is in corduroy, this is corduroy, as well as this part here where it says Air Max. Also, I chose to do corduroy on the back in a sail color, and then also you can see the corduroy better here on this swoosh. So I love the fact that I can mix the colors of the corduroys as well as 3 different tones of the Levi denim print. There's a dark, a medium, and then like a light denim, and I kind of used the combination of all 3. Then I did some hits of browns and stuff all over the shoe, and then some gum bottoms to kind of tie it all together. But I love the way that these came out. It's kind of cool that it has a little Levi's tag right here. It is only on one of the shoes. The other shoe doesn't have it, just for those people that were wondering. But this one's differently distressed, so it shows you guys that they're actually using distressed denim and like making the shoes. So this one is different obviously than this one. And this side obviously shows some differences as well. So I like the fact that they're uniquely distressed. Also, they do have a hang tag here with a Levi and a Nike Air on the back. That is kind of a nice little touch as well. My dogs are so loud when they're eating, it's ridiculous. But this is what I came up with. You know, it was just one of those things where I was just having fun designing something, and then I kind of went with this pink accent theme just because I really thought it made it pop a little bit more. But I took it one step further and I did the stitching in the pink as well, just to give it that much extra, I guess. But honestly, I love the fact that Nike did this and it gave it something fun for me to be able to create. Also, huge major bonus is I got these $20 off. Because my birthday was in August, I had a $20 off coupon, and it didn't actually apply to cart like it was supposed to. But then I went and contacted support and actually asked them, and then they said it was actually exempt from adding it, but since it was my birthday or whatever, they just added it to the discount anyway, so they actually honored it, which was awesome. But that's the results though. I really, really like the results. But leave a comment in the comment section, what would you have done differently on the Air Max 90? What do you like about what I did? I think it looks super, super nice, and I'm happy with the results. Definitely something I'm gonna be rocking. And man, hopefully Nike does more of this stuff by this Nike by You stuff. I think it is fun to be able to see limited quick strike sort of things happen with Nike by You, but more importantly, they just had really great options. A lot of times things drop on Nike and they don't have the best options to customize, and these ones I feel like they had really good options. So anyway, that's the video. Kid's gonna wake up here in a minute. If you guys like that, I kind of cram these videos in. Maybe leave a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you guys hopefully later this week for some more videos. I got some pretty fun ones that I'm excited to show you guys. Anyway, have a good one. More videos soon. Peace.